Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to upload a single file in Node.js Express by using Multer module. In this video tutorial, you can learn how to upload images. And then after, display uploaded images on the web page using Node.js and Express. So here, we will show you step-by-step process for how to download Express framework in Node.js, and then after, we will download Multer module. And after this, we will upload images on Node.js server. And lastly, we will show you uploaded image on the web page using session flash messages. Now let's start discussing this topic. So first, we want to create Node.js directory. So we have go to command prompt, and here, we want go into Node directory. And here, we want to create file upload directory. So here, we want to write make directory command with folder name file upload. So it will create file upload directory. Now we want to go into this directory. So here, we have to run change directory command with file upload folder name. So here, we can see that we have to come into this file upload directory. Now under this directory, we want to download and install Node Express framework. So here, we have run this command, so this command will download and install Node Express framework. After this, we want to install Express application, so here, we have to run this command. So under this command, AJS is the template engine of Express. And after run this command, it will display Node Express directory structure. After this, we want to install dependencies, so for this, we have to run this command. This command will download and install Node Express application dependencies. Now we have go to text editor, and here, we can see directory structure of Node Express application. Now again, we have go to command prompt, and run this command. So this command will start Node.js server, and we can run Node application in the browser. So here in the browser, we have to write localhost with 3000 port number. So here, on the web page, we can see Node Express logo, that means Express application, has been run in the browser. So after installing Node Express application, now we need to proceed for file upload in Node.js. So here in text editor, in roots folder, we have created file upload.js file. And under this file, we will write server-side code for upload file to server. And in views folder, we have created file upload.ajs file, and in this file, we will create form for upload file, and here, we have created upload directory. And under this directory, we will store uploaded file. Now we want to install Multer module for upload file to the server. So we have go to command prompt, and here we have to run following command. This command will download and install Multer module in the Node Express application. Now we have go to file upload.js file, and under this file, we have to write express variable is equal to require function. And under this function, we have to write express, so it will import express module under this file. After this, we want to import Multer module, so for this, here we have to write Multer variable is equal to require function, and under this, we have to write Multer. Next, below this, we have to write router variable is equal to express variable.router function, so this function is used to create a new router object. Now we want to create new route for load file upload form on the web page. So for this, we have to write router variable.get function with two parameter, so in first parameter, we have to write slash. And in second parameter, we have to write callback function with three parameter, like request variable, response variable and next variable. Under this function, we have to write response variable.render function with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to define views file name. So here, we have to write file upload, and second parameter, we have to define data in JSON format. So here, we have to write title key with value like file upload in Node.js Express. Now we have go into views directory and open file upload.ajs file. And under this file, we can see that Bootstrap 5 library already included under this file. Now in this file, first we want to print title variable value on the web page. So for this, here we have to write node code syntax. And for print data, here we have to write equal sign, and after this, we have to write title. So it will display title variable value on the web page. After this, we want to export this file upload module. So for this, at the end of the file, we have to write module.exports is equal to router, so it will export any literal function or object as a module. After this, we want to define file upload routes in app.js file. So we have to open app.js file, and here we have to write file upload router variable is equal to require function. And under this function, we have to write /roots folder name /file upload. After this, here we have to write app.use function with 2 parameter. And in first parameter, we have to write /file upload. And in second parameter, we have to write file upload router variable, so this way, we can define routes. After this, we want to create file upload form. So here, we have to create open and close form tag. And under this form tag, we have to write encryption type attribute is equal to multi-part form data. This attribute is required while we want to upload file. After this, we have to write action attribute is equal to /file upload. So it will send file upload request to this URL. And lastly, we have to write method is equal to post, so it will use post method for submit form data. Under this form, we want to create one file tag for select file from local computer. So here, we have to write input type is equal to file and name is equal to sample image. After this, for submit form data, here we have to write input type is equal to submit. Name is equal to submit, class is equal to button and button primary. And in value attribute, we have to write value is equal to upload image. So here, our form is ready. Now we have to check this form in the browser. So we have go to command prompt, and first we have stop previous process. And now again, we have start Node.js server by run following command. So here in the browser, we have add file upload in URL. So after this, here we can see that file upload form has been displayed on the web page. Now we can select file from local computer. Now we want to upload selected file to server. For this, we have go to file upload.js file, and here, we have to create post request routes. For handle file upload request, so for this, here we have to write router variable.post function with 2 parameter. So in first parameter, we have to write / and in second parameter, we have to write callback function with 3 parameter like request, response and next variable. Under this function, first we have to define configuration for upload file. So for this, we have to write storage variable is equal to multer.disk storage function, so this function gives you full control on storing files to disk. Under this function, first we have to configure destination, so here we have to write destination option with callback function with 3 parameter like request, file and callback variable. Under this function, we have write callback function with 2 parameter. And under this function, first parameter, we have to write null. And in second parameter, we have to write /upload directory name. So here, we have to define file upload, destination details. Next we want to get uploaded file name, so here we have to write File name option with callback function with 3 parameter like request, file and callback variable. Under this file, we want to rename selected file name, so for this. Here first we have to write temporary file array variable is equal to file variable dot original name dot split function with dot selector. So this function will return select file name into an array. And from array first index, it will return selected file name, and in second index, it will return selected file extension. So forget only file name without extension, so here, we have to write temporary file name variable is equal to temporary file array, with 0 index. And forget selected file extension, so here we have to write temporary file extension variable is equal to temporary file array, with 1 index. After this, we write callback function with 2 parameter. In first parameter, we have to write null, and in second parameter, we want to define file name. So here, we have to write temporary file name, and after this, we have to write date.now function, .temporary file extension, so it will rename selected file. And this function will return new name of selected file, so here our file upload configuration is ready. Now here, we have to write upload variable is equal to Multer function. And under this, we have to write storage key, and in value, we have to write storage variable. After this, we have to write single function, and under this function, we have to write form file tag name, so here, we have to write sample image. Now for upload file to folder, here we have to write upload function with 3 parameter. In first parameter, we have to write request, in second parameter, we have to write response. And in third parameter, we have to write callback function with error variable. Under this function, we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write error variable if there is any error occurs during file upload. Then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have to write return statement with response.end function with message like error uploading file. But suppose file successfully uploaded, then it will execute else block of code. And under this block, we have to write return statement with response.end function with message like file uploaded successfully. So it will display this message on the web page, so here our code is ready. Now we have go to command prompt, and first we have to stop previous process. And then after, we have again, restart Node.js server. Now here in the browser, first we have to refresh web page. Now we have to select file from the local computer. So after selecting image from local computer, now we have to click on the upload button. And after click on the upload button, here we can see message like file uploaded successfully. Now here in text editor, we have go into upload directory. And under this directory, we can see uploaded file, which we can see here. So here, we have successfully upload image to upload directory. Now we want to display uploaded image when we have to upload image to server. So for this, we will use flash message by using connect flash module. For this, first we have go to command prompt, and run following command. So this command will download, and install expression session, and connect flash module in our Express application. Now we want to integrate flash message in our Node application. So here in text editor, we have to open app.js file. And under this file, we need to import connect flash and express session module. So here, first we need to import express session module. So for this, here we have to write session variable is equal to require function, and under this, we have to write express session module name. After this, we need to include connect flash module. So here, we have to write flash variable is equal to require function, and under this, we have to write connect flash module name. So this way, we can import modules under app.js file. Now we need to implement flash message under app.js file. So here, we have to write app.use function. And under this function, we have to write session function. So this function will set up session in Node application. Under this function, we have to write first parameter secret with value Webslesson. It is a random unique string key, which is used to authenticate a session. After this, we have write cookie parameter with value max age set to 60,000. This option sets the cookie expiry time, and the browser will delete the cookie after the set duration elapses. In third option, we have to write save uninitialized, which is set to false. And in last option, we have to write resave option, which is set to false. So this way, we can set up session in Node application. Now we want to call connect flash module. So for this, here we have to write app.use function. And under this function, we have to call flash function, which will be called connect flash module. Now we have go to file upload.js file, and here, we have to comment this code. And after this, we have to write request.flash function with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write success, and in second parameter, we have to write request.file.file name. So here, we have to store uploaded file name in flash message. After this, we want to redirect web page to file upload form. So for this, here we have to write response.redirect function. And under this function, we have to write /file upload. So it will redirect web page to base URL /file upload URL. Now we want to pass flash data in get roots of file upload.js file. And here in get roots, here in render function, we have to write message key. And in the value, we have to write request.flash function with success parameter. So here, we have pass flash message data, views file. Now we have go to file upload.ajs file, and here we want to display flash message. So here, we have to write node code syntax, and between this, we have to write if statement, and under condition, we have to write message variable.length value is greater than 0 if this condition true. Then it will execute if block of code, and under this block, we have to create one division tag with class is equal to alert and alert success class. And between this tag, we have to write message like file is uploaded successfully. So this message will be displayed after successfully uploading of image. Now we want to display uploaded image, so for this, here we have to write image tag with source attribute is equal to /upload directory /. And for get last upload image, here we have to write node code syntax with is equal to sign. And here, we have to write message variable in which we have store uploaded file name. So it will display last uploaded image on the web page, but in Node.js. We cannot directly display image from upload directory, so for display image from directory, we have to define root in app.js file, so we have go to app.js file. And here, we have to write app.use function with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write upload directory name. And in second parameter, we have to write express.static function. And under this function, we have to write upload directory name. So after define this root, we can define image from upload directory, so here, our code is ready. Now we have go to command prompt, and here first, we have to stop previous process. And after this, we have to start Node.js server. Now here, in the browser, first we have to refresh web page. And after this, we have to select image from local computer. And after selecting image, now we have to click on the upload button. And after click on the upload button, here we can see success message on the web page. And below this, we can see uploaded image on the web page. So this way, we can upload file in Node.js Express application by using Multer module, and then after, we have also show you how to display uploaded image on the web page under this tutorial. So I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and you can understand how to upload single image in Node Express application. So now we have stopped this tutorial here. So, we will be meet in the next part. Lastly, thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.